I think there are two types of happiness. One comes out of self-satisfaction, and the other happiness depends on other people. You know how sometimes you need the ones you care about to be happy in order for you to be happy? I mean, you move heaven and earth to make them happy, hoping you'll get some of it in return. And this happiness cannot be controlled by you. But what you can control is the first kind, the happiness out of self satisfaction, or you can even call it life satisfaction. So that's what I was chasing after, the happiness that does not depend on any single person. The happiness that I could just grab whenever I wanted, which I could control 100%. And I absolutely did not want this trip to be dependent on anyone. Anyone who wants to go on a trip, they plan it with their friends. So again, their happiness there depended on their friends. And obviously, it's hard to plan a last minute trip with friends. So I decided to just go explore by myself. I mean, I had doubts. What was I going to do by myself for all these days? Will I even enjoy this trip? But the excitement and the adrenaline washed all those questions away just when I stepped on the train to Kerala. And you're watching what happened next. Every flight I take with my little drone, I feel alive. And that's how I felt this whole trip, alive. And traveling alone gives you some new perspective. I mean, at least it gave me some. You start to understand what actually matters and what are the little things you can just let go to get some peace of mind. So, to the people who think about traveling solo, just go for it. Stop thinking. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. Don't let factors you cannot control influence your happiness. Find what you can control and how that can bring you happiness. For me, it's travel.